Come on, just a little more.
Still making presentations at midnight, coffee on one side, open tabs everywhere, and that one slide that just won't look right. I know the feeling. I have been there too. But now AI has flipped the rules. What if your slides could build, beautify, and even fix themselves while you are chilling with a World Cup replay on YouTube? In this video, I will walk you through the 3 AI tools I swear by, my secret weapon for saving hours and hours and still presenting like a pro. Hi, I'm Rajul Kumar and welcome to Grow with RK, where we help professionals like you work smarter, lead better, and stay relevant in the age of AI. After 30 years in corporate life, I have realized most presentation struggles fall into three simple scenarios. You are either short on time, or you lack a storyline, or you are unhappy with how your slides look. Today, I will show you 3 AI tools that have solved each of these situations effortlessly for me. There are many AI tools that can help you create complete presentations from start to finish. I have tried several of them, and these three have truly stood out for me. In this video, I'm highlighting core strength of each one, how it shines in a specific situation. Think of them as my top 3 go-to tools, each powerful in its own way. Let's start with the most common one. You are out of time. You have the meeting tomorrow and you need a presentation ready tonight. That's when I open Gamma. Gamma is built for speed. It can take a single topic or a few rough notes and turn them into a clean, well-structured deck in minutes. I remember using it for a leadership offsite where I had barely an hour before my flight. I typed strategy priorities for 2025 and within a few seconds got an outline and completely ready slide with layouts and images. I only had to paste my data in the slides to finish the presentation. Sometimes, instead of providing a one-line input, I upload my documents, files, or even URLs to get a polished presentation. I only need to review it, make minor changes, and I am ready to go. As simple as that. So, whenever I am in a rush, I start with Gamma. It gives me a base presentation that I can later edit or refine. So, next time you are short on time, don't stress, just open Gamma. Now, sometimes the issue isn't speed. Sometimes you have too many inputs, data, comments, reports, and you are completely lost on how to bring it all together. That's when the next tool helps me, which is Plus AI for PowerPoint. You know those moments when everyone has shared their version of the truth. Marketing sends slides, finance sends spreadsheets, and suddenly you have 50 inputs, but no clear story. I have faced this countless times during strategy reviews, and that's when I rely on Plus AI.
So much data. How am I supposed to put this into a deck?
Hi, I'm Plus AI. Let's turn all these numbers into a clear presentation.
Oh, wow. This actually makes sense now.
Plus AI is an add-in that works directly inside PowerPoint. It helps you organize, rewrite, and bring clarity when things feel messy. When you install it, a Plus AI button appears on your PowerPoint ribbon. Click it, and you can either start from scratch or import your slides, Word document, Excel sheets, or PDF files. Plus AI reads your content, identifies key ideas, and then reorganizes everything into a meaningful flow. I once used it while preparing a quarterly review that had too many numbers but too little narrative. I just uploaded all the inputs and asked Plus AI to summarize insights for leadership. And within a few seconds, it gave me a clean, clear structure that told the story behind the numbers. Suddenly, everything made sense. The beauty of Plus AI is that it's not about fancy slides, it's about clarity. It helps you say what matters in a way Leaders want to hear it. You can even ask it to make your slides more concise or add executive summaries. Whenever I feel lost in too much data or feedback, Plus AI brings back clarity. It's like having a virtual communication coach sitting beside you. Sometimes you have everything: content, structure, message, but the slides still look dull. The alignment is off, fonts don't match, or the visuals look outdated. I have been there many times, especially before client presentations. That's when I open Beautiful AI. Beautiful AI is your AI powered designer. It takes your content and makes it look stunning automatically. Go to Beautiful AI, sign up, pick a template, business report, project update, or marketing pitch, whatever template you want. Paste your content, and tool will arrange everything: spacing, colors, icons, all perfectly balanced. What I love most is how it keeps everything consistent. You can define your brand colors and logo once, and every new slide automatically follows the theme. I use it when I need a professional brand level look without a designer. So whenever you feel your deck looks average, but your ideas deserve better, use Beautiful AI. So now you know three real problems, three brilliant AI solutions. When you are short on time, go to Gamma. When you are lost in too much data, go to Plus AI. And when you are not happy with your design, go to Beautiful AI. Each one solves a real world problem that every leader faces. And together, they help you create presentations that save time, tell your story, and look world class. So, these are the three tools I personally use for my leadership presentations. They have saved me hours of effort and helped me present my ideas with more clarity and confidence. If you would like to keep discovering practical AI hacks like these, subscribe to Grow with RK and stay updated. In the next video, I will show you how AI can help leaders like you make data driven decisions faster and better with AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. This is RK signing off.